Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of pilotsflow.com platform. So this is basically an online platform that provides you with a wide variety of different exercises, machines, the stair climber, apparel, accessories, and even different clothings. As you can see, they have a wide variety of resistance bands in the machine that will provide you with different kind of exercises availability. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy heads of these bold claims are actually true. As you can see, the website has a really good intuitive user interface and a really good reviews and the product descriptions. So this is a major green signal. Now let's dive in and find out what are the reviews of the people on the trust pilot website. As you can see, the pilot's flow has a 3.8 ratings out of 5 stars, which is actually based on 158 reviews. So this is actually a really great rating in my opinion. And as you can see in the reviews, most of the people are very much satisfied with the products, and some are actually complaining about some specific products. So as you can see, if we dive in, the people, 63% of the persons have actually rated 5 stars and only 24% have given the 1 star. So this might be on the basis of a single experience that a person might have came across some of the product that they are not able to use properly. So in conclusion, I would say like this platform has a really good rating, which is based on 150 reviews. So this is a legit platform, so you can try buying different products and different kind of resistance bands and machines from this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.